What was calculus? Calculus was invented as a tool for solving problems. Prior to the development of calculus, there are a variety of different problems that could not be addressed using the mathematics that was available. For example, scientists did not know how to measure the speed of an object when that speed was changing over time. How differential calculus came about. Differential calculus was developed independently by two scientists, Leibniz, from Germany, and Isaac Newton from United Kingdom. What is a derivative of a function? Derivatives can be used to describe the motion of many different objects, and it is also denoted by delta y over delta x. Here is how you can find the gradient of a line. By taking any 2 points on the line, B1 and B2, we will be able to derive the gradient of the line. To find gradient, we take delta y over delta x. Delta y is the change in y2 minus y1, called rise. Delta x is the change in x2 minus x1, called run. However, for curves which are not straight line, the situation will be different. If the curve is smooth, then at a fixed point P1, the gradient on the curve at B1 is approximately equal to the gradient of a tangent line, which is the basic of differential calculus. It is seen that for a curve, the direction of the tangent line changes from point to point, implying that the slope of a tangent line is a function of position on the curve. This function, which is called the derivative function, f'(x), which is related at each point to the direction of the tangent line, angle of inclination of the tangent line, and the ratio of incremental differences. Now, we will talk about the magnitude and the sign of gradient. The magnitude and sign of the gradient differs based on the equation of the line. The magnitude of the gradient can be large, small, or zero based on how steep the line is. The sign of the gradient is negative when the line is falling, and positive when the line is rising. Based on the magnitude and the sign of gradient, we can determine the direction of the curve. The value of the first derivative of a given function y'(x), which is the slope of a tangent line to the curve, is positive when the curve is rising, is negative when the curve is falling, and is 0 at those special points where its tangent line is horizontal. With differential calculus, we can apply it in many applications in our daily life.